I have a lot ahead of me. All of my products go in there. So yeah, guys, stick around and watch this video. Welcome back. If you're new here, this channel is all about building women's self-worth through the magic of beauty. And I know I look kind of busted. I had a client today. I have another one coming. And so, yeah, I'm dressed like this. I don't have on any makeup. And I have a little mask here. So let's just get right to it, okay? This video, we are going to be doing a makeover for my beauty room, okay? Yeah, we definitely 100% need to fix all of this. I mean, I want it glammed out. So I'm actually going to take you guys for a little tour. I'm going to show you my desk, which is not in here right now. I'm going to try to fit all this in here and just make it like a nice little cute chill room, okay? I used to be at a salon loft, and it was like the area was actually like smaller than this room. And so yeah, we're gonna try to make it like really good. I'm in my house. I definitely want to make this room really cute, and I want to show you, have you here, and you guys can comment below and tell me what I need to change or what I need to fix or what I can make better. Or if you like it, tell me you love it. Or if you love it, tell me you love it. Anyway, before we continue, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, please. I'm just trying to make it to 100 subscribers. Oh my god, I just want to keep my YouTube name, so please subscribe, okay? Other than that, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm using a different lens. So this lens is not the best lens, so just bear with me, okay? But so these are, I do lash extensions. That's all my cleaning stuff. We have a little shelf there, a little TV. It's my ring light. That is the closet. We will not be doing that. That is a whole nother video because I'm going to redo both of my closets, and I'm going to show you guys how I design my closets from nothing to something. But anyway, so this is just to give you an idea of what I have in here so far, and then I'll show you the desk area, okay? All right, so I know the lighting isn't that good in this area. I do apologize, but anyway, so all of this has to go in there as well. My printer. Then I have another little table thing right there, and then this on the floor. So all that has to go in. So one thing I did notice is that with a lot of lash rooms, it makes sense to have the bed towards the window because you get more light. And I have a light, but typically I do work during the night. Typically I do work during the day. I also work at night, but if I can get, daylight is always really good. So I'm going to move this lash bed, and this lash bed can close down. I do have sheets and everything for this lash bed, but let's see how this works out. So it's the next morning. It's actually 11:10. I was up really late doing stuff. So this is the current state of the room. So that picture has to be hung up. Let me see if I can zoom out some. So it's the next morning, and this is the current state of the room. If you can see this. So I got the clock hung up. all these wrinkles need to come out of that. My desk set up. I have to bring my other printer here. All those pictures have to go up. This stuff has to get organized. This shelf has to get organized. I just kind of like moved everything around so I'll know where it goes. That has to be hung up. It does light up, which you will see. The bed is still not completely made. This bed does fold up, so it won't be taking so much space up in here. Like if I have a guest, I can fold this light up. It goes in a bag. Like you break the whole light down actually. That thing will not be in here. I'm just keeping it in here right at the moment, because when guests or when clients come, I actually put it up to block it. I have 2 dividers so that they can't see all around my living room and upstairs and all that jazz. But yeah, so this is the current state. I still have a lot more to do, so keep watching for the final state of this room. All right, so I am finally done with this room. It's like a few days later, okay? Like I just moved. It's a lot, okay? It's a lot putting all this stuff together. But let me show you how it came out. I hope you like it. If you have any ideas, you know, of how I can put this room together, then please, if there's anything I can take away, add, just let me know. Comment below and just let me know, because I am just open to anything. But this is my beauty room, my lash room, whatever you want to call it. Hopefully it inspires you. Let me know what you think. It is daylight outside, so it's kind of really hard to see with all this light shining through. So I'm going to try to close the blinds. But this TV, no cable connected to it or anything like that. My products will get stored in there. I do have some products to put together. So once I do that, I'll show you guys what I have. But this plays DVDs. So I have a whole bunch of DVDs here. I have the whole Sex and the City, all of the series, both of the movies, Clueless, all that good stuff. And yeah, this is everything right here. So when you see me filming at my desk, I'll probably be filming from this angle right here. Come visit, like Nona Beauty Bar. Let me close this blind as well. And it kind of gives you a better idea of how the room looks. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I think I'm at 100 subscribers, which I'm so happy about, because now I get my YouTube name. So now the goal is 500 subscribers. And once I get 500 subscribers, I'm literally going to do a giveaway. I don't know what it's going to be, but as soon as I get to 500, you're going to know, because I'm going to be super stoked about that. Halfway to 1,000. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the month. And my birthday is coming up, so there will be a birthday video. So stay tuned for that. Love you.